Are you still doing your repetitive work in Google Sheets manually, like updating the data and organizing the information? Then this tutorial is definitely for you. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 5 Google Sheets automation that I've created for my business this year to automate my repetitive work. So let's get started. First automation says how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automatically. So basically, whenever I receive a new lead through my lead ads, then automatically that lead is captured in my Google Sheets, which stores my lead detail. It automatically saves my hours of work every day. Alright, let's move forward to the second automation. That says add multiple contacts to Google Contacts at once. So here I have a Google Sheet where I have my customer lead details and I want to create the new contacts for the same in my Google Contacts or any other CRM. In that case, I have built this connection by connecting my Google Sheets with my Google Contacts. So now whenever a new lead detail is added in my Google Sheets, automatically a new contact for the same is created inside my Google Contacts. Sounds magical, right? So now let's move forward to the third automation that I have created that says automate your social media with AI. So by creating this automation, I have automated my social media posting with AI. So here whenever I add a new post idea in my Google Sheets, then automatically that data is sent to the AI tool, which is an OpenAI. It automatically generates the post content and share it as a new post on my different social media platforms in once. After that, it automatically updates the status for the same in my Google Sheets. Sounds magical, right? So this is how I've created this automation to save hours of my work. Now let's move forward to our fourth automation. Turn Google Sheets data into Google Docs automatically with AI. So whenever I add a new client proposal details in my Google Sheets, then using that data, Gemini generates the client proposal content. After that, it stores it as a new document in my Google Docs, and not only this, it also converts it as a PDF and save in my Google Drive automatically without any manual effort. Alright, let's move forward to the next automation that says this automation sends birthday wishes on WhatsApp automatically. So I have created this automation to send birthday wishes to all my employees automatically. Every day this automation runs, extract the current date and search for the birth dates in my Google Sheets data. After that, it sends the automatic birthday wishes on WhatsApp to all my employees using WhatsApp Cloud API. Sounds magical, right? So this was the entire brief of the automations, and now here to see the working of these automations, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before we see the working of these workflows, let me tell you that how you can access this amazing automation software using which I've created these automations. So now here to access Pabi Connect, you need to search for pabi.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabi chat flow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabi for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabi subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabi apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabi. From here, you need to access Pabi Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabi Connect. So now here you can see these workflows or automations that I've created to automate my Google Sheets. And now I'm going to show you one by one how these automations look and work. So now here let's begin with turn Google Sheets data into Google Docs automatically with AI. So now here, as you know, that I've created this automation by connecting my Google Sheets with my Gemini account, Google Docs and Google Drive. And now whenever I add a new detail, that means new client proposal details in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, Gemini generates a proper client proposal content for the same. And as soon as the content is generated by Gemini, then automatically that generated content is stored as a new document in my Google Docs by creating a blank document first. Then it stores that content generated by AI in that blank document. And here, after creating the document, it uses Google Drive to generate a PDF link for the same. Once the PDF link is received, then automatically it uses this PDF link to store that PDF in my Google Drive under a specific folder. Sounds magical, right? So now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to test this workflow by using an amazing feature provided by Pabi, which is testing workflow. So as soon as I'm going to click on this test workflow button, you can see I have received the webbook data. So here you can see this is the data that I have received while setting up this automation. And using this data, I'm going to show you how you can test this workflow. So I'm going to click on this test workflow button and it says test trigger sent successfully. That means we have successfully processed this Google Sheet data. Now here we need to wait for some seconds and then we can easily see the file uploaded in our Google Drive under a specific folder. So now here, before we check the Google Drive, let's check Google Docs. So this is my Google Docs account and here you can see a new document has been created with the name Proposal for Neha Verma, and this is the entire proposal generated by AI. Then let's move to our Google Drive and you can see a new PDF has been exported over here with the exact same name, and this is that content. So this is how magically this automation works. And now here, if you want to see the history of the workflow that you have currently tested, then for that you need to click on this three dots option, then select workflow history from this. As soon as you're going to select this workflow history, you can see the entire history received over here. Here you can see the steps that have performed successfully, and if you face any error, then you are going to receive the error response over here at that particular space with the error specified. Alright, so this is how this automation works. Now similarly, you can test more automations by using this amazing feature. For now, we have tested one workflow. Now let's move forward to the another workflow. It says this automation sends birthday wishes on WhatsApp automatically. So here I've selected my trigger as scheduled by Pabi, my action as datetime formatted by Pabi, text formatted by Pabi, Google Sheets, Iterator and WhatsApp Cloud API. So as I've already mentioned earlier that I have set up this automation for every day at a specific time. That means it is going to run every day at a specific time. Then using datetime formatted by Pabi, it is going to extract the current date, and after extracting the current date using text formatted by Pabi, it is going to split the month and year. After splitting the date, it is going to look up for the date without matching the year in my Google Sheets. Once the data is found, automatically using Iterator by Pabi, it is going to process that array data received through my Google Sheets response. And after processing the array data, it is going to send the automated WhatsApp message to that particular contact to whom I want to send that birthday wish. So this is how magically this automation runs. Now let's move forward to the another automation that says automate your social media with AI. So again, here I've selected my trigger as Google Sheets and my action as OpenAI twice, Bitly, Facebook pages, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, that is formerly Twitter, Pinterest and Google Sheets once again. So here, as soon as I add the new details in my Google Sheet, that is a new post idea, then these details are shared to my OpenAI for generating the caption. Once the caption is generated, automatically it uses the same caption to generate the relatable image for that post. Once I've received the image over here like this, then this post content is shared as a new post on my different social media platforms. But for now, let me tell you that sometimes it does not accept long file URLs in social media platforms. So in that case, I have used Bitly to shorten the file URLs received through my AI. After shortening the file URL, I have shared it as a new post on my different social media platforms. And once the post is completely posted till this Pinterest account, then the status is updated in my Google Sheet as created over here. So this is the another automation working that I've created to automate my social social media with AI. Alright, so now let's move forward to the another automation that I have created that says add multiple contacts to Google Contacts at once. So again, here I've connected my Google Sheets with my Google Contacts. Here, as soon as I receive the new details in my Google Sheets, then using these details, new contacts are created in my Google Contacts. So now here, let's test this workflow as well. We are going to click on this test workflow button. You can see the details that I have received. So we're going to click on this test workflow. It says test trigger sent successfully. So let's go and check our Google Contacts. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new contact has been created with the name test user. This is the email address and this is that particular number. So this is how magically this automation runs. Not only this, you can also use Google Sheets to create bulk contacts in your Google Contacts. So let's suppose this is the data that I have in my Google Sheets with multiple lead details, and now here to create the contact for each and every lead in bulk, we are going to use an amazing feature inside Google Sheets. We're going to click on this extensions, then we're going to select the extension that we have already downloaded with the name Pabi Connect Webhooks, and from here we are going to select an amazing feature that is send all data. As soon as I'm going to click on this particular option, it is going to create the multiple contacts with these details in my Google Contacts. Alright, let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see multiple contacts has been created in my Google Contacts with all the details that I have in my Google Sheets. So this is the magic of the automation tool. Alright, let's move forward to another automation that says connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So this is a very simple automation that I've created to store my lead details in my Google Sheets to have an organized date of my leads. So here, as a real estate owner, I have a Facebook page with the name Prime Properties, and I'm running Facebook lead ads to receive new leads for my business. So as soon as I capture a new lead in my Facebook lead ad, then automatically that lead detail is added in my Google Sheet in a specific row. Alright, so these were the amazing automations that I've created for automating my Google Sheets. I hope all the automations were clear to you. Now if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And here let me tell you that we are running a series of posting top 5 automations for some specific and most useful applications. So stay tuned on our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos. And also you can drop your applications in the comment section below on which you want to see such amazing videos of automation. Alright, and if you're planning to buy Pabi for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabi Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabi.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.